You've upgraded your bike's exhaust system expecting better sound and less weight, but the moment that you disconnect the factory exhaust servo system, your bike starts spitting out a fuel injection or a check engine light, and it's now a pesky light that you have to deal with every time you turn on the bike. Well, that's exactly where this Healtech Exhaust Servo Eliminator comes in. A lot of modern bikes use an exhaust valve system that's controlled by the servo motor that comes stock on the bike. So at lower RPMs, the bike is opening and closing that valve to help with noise regulations and emissions. But if you install an aftermarket exhaust, that valve system is usually going to become unnecessary. However, your bike's ECU, basically the brain of your bike, is still looking for the factory servo motor. So when you unplug it, the bike thinks there's a problem and it's going to throw out these error lights. Well, the Healtech Servo Eliminator here fixes that by plugging directly into the factory servo connector and electronically simulating the OEM servo motor so that your bike still thinks everything is connected and functioning properly. Now, one of the best parts about this is how simple this is. There's no cutting wires, there's no complicated setup. You unplug your servo motor, you plug in the Healtech module, you're basically done. Another huge benefit here is that you're cleaning up the bike itself. So factory servo motors, they're gonna weigh more, they're gonna take up more space, and when you remove it, you're saving weight and you're giving yourself more space to work around on your bike. At the end of the day, this is a small part, but it solves one of the most annoying problems after swapping an exhaust. No error lights, no OEM hardware left behind. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you're interested, you can find us at accessoryinternational.com.